Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Emma. I create art, all sorts of art. Today's video is going to be a recap of a stream that I did recently where I recreated Made You Look's 3-skull piece. Yeah, let's get into it. Am I drawing a goatee? That's exactly what I'm drawing. I just want to be part of the crew. I just want to be like you, Jason.
Does Jason have a goatee?
I'm pretty sure. But thanks, Jason. Ban him. What's the request?
Prestige win.
Oh, I need to reopen my game because I clicked on something clearly. Oh, now it's my turn.
How did I get that prestige? Oh, for killing the Bane.
Yeah, that Bane attack.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm playing their Bane character.
What?
His special move is evade, so all of his combat dice are all just defense. And then he steals one of your cards and runs off.
There's more there, of course.
Thank you.
Want more? Do you want cream as well?
Yes, please.
Is that a good amount of cream?
Yeah, cheers.
Nice. Who's this guy in the face? That's for real?
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
Thank you. I'm not going to be able to get to the kingdom in time.
You've still got another day. He's on 2 health, yeah? Yeah, 2 health, so you've got 4 turns.
I still don't think I can get there. Have we got one more day?
Yep.
Oh.
And one more night.
I thought that was it.
Yeah.
My mouse is gone. Okay.
I'm fairly certain you just need to click into the castle.
My camera will be back in a second. Oh, do I burn cards? What? What just happened? I don't understand what.
I failed the peril.
Oh. But I burnt cards to help me and it hindered me. That's a bit rude. Ugh. How come I only have 2 movements? I thought I had 3. Did somebody do that to me?
Yeah. Your armor. It says it gives you 3 shields, but gives you -1 AP. You've been wearing it like all game.
Yeah, I know. I've been wearing it all game, but I was wondering why on earth it was happening. Oh, is it my turn? Oh, I don't have anything I can do, so, I mean... Can I just kill people?
No.
Like last game when you banished me when you didn't actually have a chance to win.
It was funny though. It's showing every wrinkle and crease. Plus extras that I don't usually have.
Nah, you usually have them.
Thanks so much.
No problem. You normally look at least 38.
Oh, thank you.
To be honest, I thought you were older than me when you first started.
Really?
And you were wearing a mask, so you looked younger than you normally do. Oh, Emz, do you think a week's long enough for the reveal?
My what? What reveal?
Remember, someone did something who wasn't allowed to know about something because of something?
Ah, yeah.
A week's long enough?
I think so. What's the one I want? Is it curves? What are you doing? Well, I've finished. I'm editing the photo so it looks like I'm standing in the back in a black nothingness. Thank you. The more I look at it, I'm like, okay, yeah, it ain't so bad. It's pretty similar, at least, to the, I think these eyes were definitely too round, I think, and too far apart. So they should have been like closer in maybe, and like more squinty. Yeah, no. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I know it was a bit of a different one, but I hope you enjoyed it still. If you want to come and watch me live stream, please make sure you check me out on Twitch. My handle is RandEmmz, RandEmmz. So yeah, come check us out and join the fun family over there. Huge thank you to all of my patrons, Justin, Ali Productions, Pat, Jeremy, Marco, and the wonderful new addition, Jason. Thank you so much all for all of your support all the time, and I love you all. I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.